हेलो गाय हेलो गाइस, आई एम कमलेश कुमार सर एक बार फिर से आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ नेशनल इंटरनेशनल अपॉइंटेड मेंस। इसमें आप तो पहले एक काम कर दीजिए, पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। फिर आपको जो भी अपडेटेड वीडियो होंगी वो आपको देखने के लिए मिल जाएंगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल अपॉइंटेड। फर्स्ट है JS Deepak, named India's next ambassador to WTO. Telecom Secretary JS Deepak, IAS officer in 1982 West Uttar Pradesh, was named India's next ambassador to the World Trade Organization WTO from June 2017. Deepak has been shifted from Telecom Ministry and has has been made officer in special duty in the Commerce Department with immediate effect. Earlier, he was India's chief negotiator negotiator at the WTO and for the regional compre- comprehensive economic partnership agreement. Deepak is an MBA degree holder from Indian Institute of Management IIM Ahmedabad. The World Trade Organization is a global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations. The WTO officially commenced on 1 January 1995 under Marx Agreement saying to 1 to 3 nations on 15 April 1994, replacing a general agreement to traffic and trade GATT. Sanjeev Singh appointed Indian Oil Corporation chairman. Sanjeev Singh has been appointed to as the chairman of the country's largest commercial enterprise, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The appointed committee The appointed committee cabinet has appointed for approved 5 years. Since Singh is at present the director refineries at IOCL. He will be assuming the charge on or after 1st June 2017. National Affairs. Delhi government extend midday meal scam for girls to up to 12th. Currently, the same covers all primary schools, MCD, and government schools upper to primary schools till 8 to 8 with 16 lakh students. Student will starting serving midday meal to girl student of class 9 to 12 from first next month. Now Delhi state government will be become the first state in the country to service midday meal up to class 12. This will be done with a view to fight malnourishment and anemia, especially in female students. Odisha government sinks MOU with Invest India. Odisha government has signed agreement to invest India at the National Investment Promotion and Facilitation Agency of the Union Ministry of Commerce and Industries. They will help the state government in achieving the mission 100 startup by the year 2020 and help the youth realizing their dreams. Startup India has, has the objective of making India a country of job creators and make India the number one startup nation in the world. Paneerselvam invited Amma Kaliyavani Vyagam, former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister of Paneerselvam, has launched a portal Amma Kalviyagam in as a part of 69th birth anniversary celebration of late Chief Minister of Jayalalitha Jayaram. Now is Amma. The portal is a hub learning, instructions, opportunity, opportunity and connections. It will help students assistant from reputed teachers free of cost at the convention of the year. Homs International Affairs. The Nepal Investment Summit begins at Kathmandu. Today, Nepal Investment Summit 2017 has been inaugurated by the Prime Minister of Nepal, Pushpa Kamal Dehal, at Kathmandu, Nepal. Around 250 delegates from more than 20 countries are participating in the summit. This is the first investment summit in Kathmandu since the promulgation of the Constitution in 2015. The aim of the summit is to project Nepal as an attractive investment destination and to explore possibilities for foreign investment in various sectors include hydropower, infrastructure and tourism. Malaysia to cancel visa-free entry for North Koreans. Malaysia has decided to cancel visa-free entry North Koreans due to national security reasons from 6 March 2017. Now North Koreans will be required to obtain a visa before entering Malaysia for national security reasons. The move comes 2 weeks after Kim Jong Yang was killed at the Kuala Lumpur airport with a Texas nerve agent. Sudan Basir named long-time ally and General Prime Minister. Sudanese President Omar Hassan al-Bashir has named Hussein Hassan Sahil to be newly created post of Prime Minister. It is the first time Sudan has a Prime Minister since Bashir came to power in 1989. Islamist and military backup cup. Sudan constitution was amended in December to introduce the position of Prime Minister. Not Saleh is a retired Army General of former Defense, Interior and Presidential Affairs Minister. Currently serves as first Vice President and National Congress Party Deputy Leader for Active Affairs, Banking and Finance. Government asks banks to provide mobile banking facility to customers by 31st March. The Union government has asked all banks to provide mobile banking facility to all customers by 31st March in a bid to push digital transactions. Bank has been asked to run a nationwide champi- campaign up to 31st March and ensure that every customer who has a mobile phone is enable mobile banking. The customer who are using UPI or Bhim app should be automatically be enabled mobile banking. Sports. Indian planning to host boxing international tournament every year. Indian Boxing Federation President Ajay Singh has announced the Boxing Federation IBA is planning to host one major boxing international tournament every year. The first such event will be the Women's Youth World Championship 2017. It was for the first time that was chairperson from 11 composition of AIBA attended to event discuss the future of world boxing. Earlier, the Indian Amateur Boxing Federation was banned by AIBA for possible manipulation for elections in 2012. Virat Kohli to receive Polly Umrigar Award, Ashwin to get Dilip Sardesai Award. Indian captain Virat Kohli will be received the prestigious Polly Umrigar Award. The award is given to India's International Cricketer of the Year at the Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI Annual Award to be held Bangalore on 8 March 2017. Virat Kohli is currently highest ranked Indian Test batsman in the world. Of spinners, Ravichandran Ashwin has been nominated for the Dilip Sardesai Award. Earlier, Kohli has won Polly Umbriger Award in the 2011-12 and 2014-15 and becomes the first Indian cricketer to be bestowed the honor on three occasions. India of spinners Ashwin holds and discussion of getting the Dilip Sardesai Award twice, first in 2011. Louis Norton D. Matos appointed new head coach of India U17 football team. Today, AIFF All India Football Federation has appointed Portugal Lewis Norton D. Matos, 63 years, has has coach of the of in the Indian under 17 team the FIFA under 17 World Cup. He replaces Nikolai Adam, who was forced to resign under controversial circumstances after a revolt from the players. He had five appearance for the Portugal national side. The FIFA under 17 World Cup will be hosted by India between 6 and 28 October 2017. All India Football Federation AIFF is the organization which manages the game of association football in India. Thought of the day. Life is about making impact, not making an income. थैंक यू। आई सेल्फ एजुकेशन आई सी ब्लॉगर से मैं कमलेश कुशवाहा एक बार फिर से आपको बता दूँ बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आप पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर। थैंक यू।